Okay. So morning we were discussing about in radius and x radius, those formulas. I derived R1, but in the same way you can derive R2 and R3. Okay. Now, even in exercise 10b, for R1, R2, R3, there are some more formulas. We'll see that later. Based on what we discussed already, there are few questions. We'll do them. Then we'll try to do other questions. Now, whatever I'm going to tell, there are questions in the beginning, but they can be also used as formulas later on also. Very simple questions. Show that 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by R. Show that R, R1, R2, R3 is equal to delta square. Show that R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 is equal to S square. Okay, so all these questions are based on those few formulas. Small r equal to delta by S, R1 equal to delta by S minus A, R2 equal to delta by S minus B, and R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. Okay, very first one is very simple. LHS. This you can write S minus A by delta, S minus B by delta, and S minus C by delta. And add, you'll get 3S minus A plus B plus C by delta. That is 3S minus 2S by delta, S by delta, 1 by delta by S, which is 1 by R. This is also very simple. I'm writing question. It's okay. This is delta by S. This is delta by S minus A. This is delta by S minus B. This is delta by S minus C. This numerator is delta power 4 and denominator is delta square, which will be delta square. These two are more or less same only. If we start with Roman 1 LHS, R1 is delta by S minus A, R2 is delta by S minus B, This is delta by S minus P and delta by S minus C. This is delta by S minus C and delta by S minus A. Delta square, you can write S into S minus A into S minus A. You can take delta square common, but let us not take it. Delta square is S into S minus A into S minus S minus C. If I cancel these two, I'll get S into S minus C. These two delta square expand and cancel these two, you'll get S into S minus C. This will be S into S minus B. You can take S common, you'll get S minus C plus S minus A plus S minus B. That is S into 3S minus A plus B plus C, which you can write S into 3S minus 2S, which is S into S, which is S square. I'm sure many of you completed before I even started. Just some people may join late or something, for them I'm writing this. Roman 2 I'm not writing. Basically multiplies 4, it will become 2S whole square, and 2S is A plus B plus C. Everybody completed 3 and 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody clear about fifth one completed? Sorry, fifth one, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sixth one, many of you might have completed. To start with LHS 1 by R, I can write S by delta and S minus A by delta. Similarly, this is S by delta minus S minus B by delta. This is S by delta minus S minus C by delta. This S and this S you can cancel. You will get A by delta into B by delta into C by delta, which is directly ABC by delta Q. From here to here, if you want to know, for ABC, you can multiply and divide with 4R. ABC by 4R into 4R by delta Q. ABC by 4R is a formula for delta. So I'll get delta into 4R by delta Q. That is 4R by delta square. And delta, smaller is delta by S. So delta I can get R into S also. RS whole square. Sorry, I'm just writing upwards, but I hope you can understand. Okay, everybody completed sixth one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, seventh is direct application of formulas. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. That is 21. Now delta. Delta is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is 21, S minus A is 8, and this is 7, and this is 6. 21, I can write 3 into 7, 2 into 4, and 7 into 2 into 3. 1 3 will come, 1 7, 1 more 2, 1 more 2. 84. Capital R is ABC by 4 delta. Here you have to find capital R also. Okay, those are doing 8th question. After that, you have to do 9th is here, and then this, then it's okay. You can change the order also. Okay, 7. Everybody completed?
Wait, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, R3 is 14.
R3 is wrong. Okay, okay.
14.
Okay, instead of 12, it is 14. Thank you. Okay, in 8th question, anybody want to give an idea how to find smaller?
Sir,
Sir, we will use the previous result. 1 by R.
Yeah, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is 1 by R. You can use that question result as a formula, you can get. Then how will you get delta?
Delta equals to root over R into R1, R2, R3.
Yes, R1, R2, R3 is delta square. You can use that. And S, how will you find S?
R equal to delta by S.
As R equal to delta base, you already know R and delta, you'll get S. And how will you find A?
R1 equals to delta by S.
Delta by S minus A.
Yes, okay. R1 is there, delta is there, S is there, you have to find A. Okay. So mainly if you find R and delta, the rest of R, delta, rest of the things will follow, R and delta. 8 and 9 are similar only. Okay, so after completing 8, you do 9 in the same way. Okay, I'm going to erase 7. Does anybody need more time?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, 1 by R1, 1 by R is equal to R1. Okay, everybody, please put on your videos. Okay, Chaitanya. Okay, somebody asking is 10th question correct? No, it's correct only. You're getting hold. It is R into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so these are not much any theoretical. There are some 4 formulas and other formulas are just based on that 4 or 6 formulas. Okay, everybody completed 8th one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If you observe carefully, of course, you have to do the whole 9th one. They made the 9th question, they can give any data, not a big issue. But they took 8th one, multiplied with 4. Earlier they gave 2, 3, 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Now they gave 2 times 4, 3 times 4, and 6 times 4. That means the whole triangle is magnified, or it's a similar triangle 6 times. I think everything else will magnify by 6 times, I guess. If it is area, of course, it has magnified by 6 square times maybe. Okay, so I can easily change the numbers here. These are 8, 12, 24.
Sir, if we multiply the results with 4, the answer will not come, sir.
Whether it comes or not, you have to do it because they're not going to ask both questions in the exam, right? It will be fresh question. You have to do it.
Sir, area is 16 times the
Yes, sir.
area in the previous.
Yeah, so yeah, magnification ratio is 4 times, so area will be 16 times. Yes. Sides and all will be.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Those remain 4 times.
Yeah. This will be 3. It is something like you study beta equal to 2 alpha and gamma equal to 3 alpha. Are you studying this thermal expansions and all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So delta is how much finally now? 64. How much is this? 24. Huh?
24, sir.
24. Not 24.
96.
96.
Delta is 96.
96.
96.
Earlier 6, 16 times that, so 96. Okay. Delta is 96 and R is 4. So this will be 24. R1 is 8. Delta is 96 and this is S is 24. Sorry, I did not find last time also. They asked capital R also, right?
Yes, sir.
Capital R is
Yes,
ABC by 4 delta. 8 into 12 into 24 by 4 into 96. 24, 4, 4, 3 is 4, 2, so I think 6. I think in the second case, capital R is 6, right? The ninth question is capital R 6 or not?
Sir, 8, 12, sir.
This is 12. Okay, one. This is 24 into 4, 4 3 is 4 2. Our capital R equals 6 only, right?
A value 12, sir.
12 into 16 into 20 by
Oh, A value did I wrote wrong? 8, 12, 24. They are, no, sorry, I wrote R1, R2, R3. Okay. 12, 16, 20. Okay. So this is 12 into 8, 8 into 2, 2, 2. So finally, how much is capital R coming? 20, yeah? 10, huh? 10. Okay, capital R is 10. Then in the previous case, it would have been 10 by 4, means 5 by 2. Did you get 5 by 2 in the 8th question?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I did not write this. In 8th question, capital R is ABC by 4 delta, which is 3 into 4 into 5 by 4 into delta is 6. 4, 4 will cancel. That is 5 by 2. 2.5. Saket, you completed 9th one also?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
11th one, LHS we should consider R also, sir, or it is only R1, R2, R3?
Now you have to. This is R1 means in the next one it is R2. In the next one it will be R3. Sum of all those things.
Yes, sir.
Sriharsha, what is this file that you sent?
Sir, the message was switch off your video,
Okay.
or else I will remove you from the class.
Okay. Why are you sending that message?
Sir, in the chat box it was coming just few seconds ago.
Yes, come. Okay. It came from Ascent class only.
Yeah, switch off your video.
Oh, acha, acha. Oh, I did not see that. Somebody
Sir,
is playing with
someone
us.
changed their name and they are keeping, sir.
Acha, acha.
Yes.
And when? Okay, okay. Okay, what to do? I was actually seeing where is Ascent class name. Whenever I'm seeing it is not there. I think they're joining, putting the message and leaving, I guess. Or changing their name. Okay, I think all of you should switch off your video, otherwise you'll be removed. Don't switch off, I'm just joking. Okay, if somebody is waiting for me that I will do all these questions, no, I am not planning to do. I'm only giving questions and you should try to complete. Okay, coming to 10th question, solution. We start with LHS, which is RR1 plus RR2 plus RR3. This you can write delta by S minus A, delta by S into delta by S minus B, delta by S into delta by S minus C. Delta square is S into S minus S minus C. If you cancel these two, you will be left with S minus B into S minus C. S minus C into S minus A and S minus C into S minus B. Just expand, it will be S square minus BS minus CS plus BC. S square minus AS minus CS plus CA. S square minus AS minus BS plus A. You got S square 3 times 3S square minus AS 2 times BS 2 times CS 2 times. If I take 2S common, I'll get A plus B plus C. Plus AB plus BC plus C. This is another 2S. We will get a 3S square minus 2S into 2S plus AB plus BC plus C. This is basically minus s square and you will get answer. That's it.
Sir, this
Tanvishra,
one is the first.
Tanvishra, after finishing all these questions, you can share. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Ritam, please tell.
So this means the first 4 to 5 questions we have to remember like formulas, sir.
Yes, you're right.
Yes, sir.
That means R, R1, R2, R3, anyway you have to remember. Two more formulas is 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Delta square equal to R into R1 into R2 into R3. And you can, I think even here, R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 is S square, we proved it. Okay, that much.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody completed 10th one?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Okay, 11 sigma, that R1 you can write delta by S minus A by S minus B into S minus C. That is delta by S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. I can multiply one S here, one S here. It will be delta S by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is delta square. Sigma delta S by delta square, which is sigma S by delta, which is 1 by delta by S, which is 1 by R. Sigma 1 by R means you have to add 1 by R 3 times. So 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R. Because whether you take A here and the next term or next term will get 3 times. So it is actually 3 by R. In 15C, Sachinan, which formula used? I specifically mentioned R2 here. So you might have written R3 by mistake. Or you might have taken RR. Okay. 11 also everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ritam, you completed
Yes, sir.
11th one?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, 12th one, I think one previous question also we use the altitude. P1 formula is due delta by A. How is that? If we take a triangle and this altitude is P1 and this base is A, okay, delta equal to half into base into height. Based on that, we'll get P1 is 2 delta by A. Similarly, P2 will be 2 delta by B and P3 will be 2 delta by C. For board exam, if required, you just write this much step and tell P1 is this. Similarly, P2 and P3. Now the coming to first one, LHS is reciprocal of 2 delta by A. It will be A by 2 delta plus B by 2 delta plus C by 2 delta. That is A plus B plus C by 2 delta. That is 2S by 2 delta, which is 1 by delta by S, which is 1 by R. Roman 2, if we start with LHS, it is A by 2 delta plus B by 2 delta minus C by 2 delta. That will be A plus B minus C by 2 delta, which is 2S minus 2C by 2 delta. If we cancel 2, it is S minus C by delta, which is 1 by delta by S minus C. It is actually reciprocal of R3. Of course, P1 into P2 into P3 I can do right here. This will be 2 delta by A into 2 delta by B into 2 delta by C. That will be 8 delta Q by ABC, which is the next one they wanted to prove. If you want the first one, in the place of delta, you can write ABC by 4R whole cube by ABC. One set of cabs will cancel, you'll get ABC whole square by 64R cube, which is ABC whole square by 8R cube. Pradeep Kumar, you completed 12th one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, 13th one also same formula is no difference. Start with LHS 1 by delta by S whole square, 1 by delta by S minus A whole square, 1 by delta by S minus B whole square, and delta by S minus C whole square. That is S square by delta square, S minus A whole square by delta square, S minus B whole square by delta square, and S minus C whole square by delta square. I can just expand S square plus S square minus 2AS plus S square minus 2BS plus B square, S square minus 2CS plus C square whole by delta square. I have 4S square minus 2S common, A plus B plus C plus A square plus B square plus C square by delta square, and luckily it is getting cancelled. 4S square minus 2S into another 2S plus A square plus B square plus C square by delta square. This will cancel. A square plus B square plus C square by delta square. Okay, we'll complete till 18 and then we'll stop, and of course then we want to share something. Okay, so I may be extending for a little more time. If somebody completed, you can think about one question. All 18 if you completed, try to think of one question. This is circumcircle of a triangle. This is one triangle, need not be equilateral. Draw the altitudes. Okay. Let me use another color. If I join this and this is one triangle. This is another triangle, this one. and this one is another triangle. This is a original triangle ABC. Okay, but I got this is one new triangle. This is another new triangle outside. This is also another new triangle. When I add these three triangles, I'll get the original triangle area. This area plus this area plus this are equal to this. Why?
Yes.
Somebody can. You can try to think and tell me.
Sir, they are similar, sir.
Yes, sir. Similar, not congruent, sir.
Okay, we'll come to that. Yeah, that's good. I finished the question and I finished the solution.
Yeah.
Okay, 14 numerator I want to write R1 R2 plus R2 R3. Denominator I am not repeating the whole solution, but we know it is a root S square. R1 means you can write delta by S minus A and delta by S minus B. This is delta by S minus B, delta by S minus C. This is S. For delta square, if you use S into S minus and S minus S minus and cancel these two, you'll get S into S minus C. Similarly, this is S into S minus. This is R1 R2 plus R2 R3 or R1 R2. What did I give? R1 R3. Sorry. So this will be S minus A. Then I'll be left with S into S minus B by S. If I take S common, 2S minus B plus C. That is S into A by S, which is A. I don't know whether I asked this question anytime. This is a nice question. You take a circle. Okay, the circle is of radius R. Take any triangle inscribed in this circle. You can take any triangle, acute angle, obtuse angle, triangle, right angle, triangle, change all the vertices, no problem. This triangle will have one orthocenter. If you take some other triangle inside this, you'll have another orthocenter. All those orthocenter, what is the locus of orthocenter? What is the shape of that? I want to know. Circle is fixed. Circle is fixed. A is a moving point on this circle. B is a moving point on this circle. C is a moving point on this circle. As ABC changes on the perimeter of the circle, the orthocenter of triangle ABC also changes its position. What is the locus of that orthocenter? What is the shape?
Sir, circle.
If it is circle, you have to tell me if this radius is R, what is the radius of that?
R by 2.
But there's a problem because sometimes the orthocenter can lie on circle itself. If it is a right angle triangle, orthocenter will be at the right angle vertex. Even the circle itself should be also answered, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope 13, 1, 3, everybody completed, right?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Once again, I am expecting that everybody should complete well before that I'm telling, except for very few students. If somebody is not able to do, I want to tell. Otherwise, I'm only just giving the questions and giving opportunity for it to solve because they are not very difficult. 15, they gave R2 is equal to R1 R3. This is delta by S. This is delta by S minus B. This is delta by S minus A. This is delta by S minus C. If we cancel delta, bring this to numerator, you will get S minus A into S minus C by S into S minus B equal to 1. If somebody expands, of course, you may get some Pythagorean triad. You may get A square plus C square equal to B square. You may tell angle B is 90. It is quite possible. Wherever S is there, write A plus B plus C by 2 expand. But you don't need. This is a formula for what?
Tan B.
Tan
So
B
tan
by
B by
2.
2.
Yes.
Tan
Under
square
root.
by 2.
Tan square B by 2. Yes, that's correct. Tan square B by 2. If square root is there, it is tan B by 2. Not there. So tan square B by 2 is 1. So B by 2 is 45 degrees. So B is equal to 90 degrees. Somebody can expand and get to some Pythagorean, that is kind of thing also. 16 is a very silly question. Sixteen is R1. This is delta by S. This is delta by S minus A. Delta square is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. Cancel. You got S minus B into S minus C. Okay, I hope 14 everybody completed.
Yes, sir.
Coming to this question, I already give an example where on the perimeter only orthocenter can be there. Even the center of the circle also can be orthocenter. If you take equilateral triangle, circumcenter and orthocenter are same. And orthocenter can be outside the circle also. If you take an obtuse angle triangle within this circle, the orthocenter will be outside the circle. Okay, 17 is also very simple. S is semi-perimeter, so 12 by 2, 6. And in radius is 1, smaller equal to 1. So smaller equal to delta by S. So delta is equal to RS, 6 into 1 into 6, which is 6. Okay, 18. If you apply cosine rule, it will come, but it will become lengthy. And I told you about another formula for delta. Some 2a square b square plus 2b square plus c square plus 2c square a square minus a power 4 minus b power 4 minus all that can be used. Other one is it is solved something. The numerator is a solved example in the previous exercise and we done in the class. I gave in the homework or something. Sine rule. Coming to 18th one, if you take a cos a plus b cos b plus c cos c by a plus b plus c. Okay, that does not matter. Here you can write 2r sin a and cos a. This is 2r sin b and cos b. This is 2r sin c and cos c by s. A plus b plus is 2s. In the numerator, if you take capital R common, 2 sin a cos a sin 2a. So you'll get sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c by 2s. Here you have to do transformation. There is no alternative. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is 4 sin a sin b sin c by 2s. Okay, now this is very close to delta. I need to multiply with r after cancelling 2. So 1 by r into 2r square sin a sin b sin c by s. 1 by capital. This is a formula for delta, and delta by s is neatly smaller, so smaller by capital.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, then we can't define that radius, sir.
I did not say it is circle. You only said circle, then I asked what is the radius. I am not saying locus need to be a circle, because this circle also answer, center is also answer, some points are outside, so there may be answer may be different than circle. It is not straight line also, because already we got a circle.
Yes, sir.
Because as you
Sir,
take a
can you
rectangle
give some more,
triangle,
So ellipse
Can
sir,
we?
it will be.
sir, can you give some more examples like?
I gave example of equilateral triangle and right angle triangle. I gave example of obtuse angle triangle where orthocenter will be outside, right?
Yes, sir.
For acute angle triangle, it will be definitely inside. I think if you think of some isosceles triangles, you may get some idea. Okay, first of all, 18. Everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So, Anvish, we want to present.